I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring ingredients: 250 ml milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa, 1 tablespoon sugar. This ratio gives balance. Heat a small saucepan over medium flame. Do not bring to a rolling boil. Once warm, add cocoa and sugar directly to the milk, whisking immediately to prevent lumps. Make sure to whisk constantly in slow circles, scraping the pan base. The goal is even dissolution and gentle heating to build flavor without scalding the milk. So monitor color. Once the cocoa is dissolved and the milk is steaming, increase whisking intensity to emulsify fats and air, about 60 to 90 seconds. You want a silky, slightly frothy texture. This creates the latte mouthfeel. At this stage, add 1/4 tsp vanilla or a small pinch of salt to round out bitterness and deepen sweetness. If you prefer a true choco latte, pour in 30 ml espresso or 1 shot and whisk briefly to combine. It balances sweetness and adds body. You finish by pouring the mixture into a warmed cup, holding back foam with the whisk, then spooning it on top. Dust with cocoa. Make sure to taste and adjust. If it tastes weak, simmer 30 to 60 seconds to reduce and concentrate flavors. If it's grainy, pass through a fine mesh strainer to remove lumps. If it scalds or tastes burnt, discard small layer and reheat fresh milk separately. Serve at about 60 degrees for best drinking temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.